Sorry about that, the video cut out at the very end. I wasn't able to show you exactly how I finished it. But basically I took a card scraper after getting the shape and cleaned them up with a card scraper. If you've never used one of these, you've got to pick them up. That's amazing. No sandpaper needed. That gets you far, far smoother than sandpaper. Really just a glass smooth surface. Immensely happy. I hope you like this. It was a fairly simple, quick video. I just wanted to show you what I was doing. These will be the bottom stretchers on the coffee table. And it's fun with that. So I hope you like this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And remember, it's not about the project. It's not about the end goal. It's about who you become to complete the end goal. So I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.